Butterfly in the sky, I can go twice as high.
Yeah, it's your boy Crypto Blood. It's in the book. It's Reading Rainbow. Welcome to another episode of My Two Satoshis. It is March 31st, 2018. Today's song request comes from me. Why this song was in my head, I have no clue. But we'll be listening to a little Reading Rainbow theme song today for your people. How you doing? Today, man, we're trying to inch back up a little bit off those lows. I'm not convinced yet because I haven't seen us pass back through some resistance levels, some critical resistance levels that we need to. So we'll take a look at that in a minute. But first, let's take a look at market cap. $267 billion. Bitcoin's dominance is at 44.9%. And green overall for most of the cryptos today. Top 100. And ironically enough, we're going to take a look at the top 5 worst performing cryptos this year in a second. Let's take a look at my algo really quickly. Algo, we're still same position, 2 long positions. Near each other, but let me see if I can even show. See, I don't think it will show me lists of. Oh, it will. It'll show me lists of trades. Look at that profit factor, over 10.8%. Not percent, but ratio. Profit factor ratio is at 10.8%. It doesn't trade that much, as I said, but when it does, it's normally. Now we're showing a reading of 66.67% profitability factor. But let me see if I can show. I don't think it'll show how much I'm down right now on the opening, the trades that are open. No, it won't. So never mind. It won't show me. But I don't know, man. We'll see. Normally this thing is right. And me looking at, manual TA, I'm showing nothing. I mean, it's indecisive right now. Once we broke through this line up here, I knew we were going lower for sure. And the next target would have been, at that point, S1 would have been right here at $7,300. But we broke through that fairly quickly on that one. We bounced off a little bit, but didn't take much to break through that one. But this one we bounced twice on the 6,600 area. I had that green because that was a huge, very, very strong support area. The next one, this should be green as well. But that is like the ultimate low that I can see. If we go anything lower than that, man, I don't know, man. I might have to do a rap song like Nas saying Bitcoin's dead. Side, never. I've been through this too many times. It's not about the price per se. We, of course, want the price to go up, but it's about the technology. It's about the technology and what blockchain brings to so many industries. So that's it right now. So really I need to see, just keep a mental marker. We need to see something above 7,300. So if you see 7,400 today while you're out and about, know that that's a strong buy. The momentum may have shifted to the upside for us, so just kind of keep that 7,400 in mind. If you see that as you're out and about, that is a good sign. Anything below 6,600, so you see 6,300, 6,400, not a good look. Not a good look. So those are the two, S1 and R1. That's what you want to kind of keep in your mind for today, people, as you're out and about with the family. But today's article out of Bitcoin.com, and it says here, these are the worst performing cryptocurrencies of 2018. Man, if you are the worst performing currency or crypto coin out of 2018 so far, man, it's got to be bad because all of the coins have been performing, and crypto assets have been performing pretty bad, to be honest with you. So let's take a look at this. It says here 2018 has been a tough year for cryptocurrencies. It all started so promisingly as January broke with the promise of $3 Ripple, and in Tron, an altcoin that was up 14,000% in 30 days. Things swiftly went south from there and have been sinking ever since, judged by their all-time highs. The following coins are 2018's greatest fallen angels. I just want to say really quickly, when I saw people were telling me to look at Tron, this and this and that, they didn't even have they didn't have anything but a white paper and a nice website, and I was like, yep, this is getting out of hand. And that probably was the high water mark for cryptocurrencies at that point. I think that's when we finally saw the bubble burst. And when I say bubble, not a permanent bubble, I'm just saying there are small bubbles within a cyclical move, right? So they're boom and bust within these. We're still heading up, in my opinion, for cryptocurrencies for at least the next 10 to 15 years for sure. This is the beginning of what we had with the internet age, in my opinion. But that really, and I think it was healthy that we had this pullback from those highs like that. So it says here, meet 2008's worst in class. So I won't read that paragraph. We're going to go right to the actual coins, and I'll just read off a couple of them. I'll leave the link to this article so you can entertain yourselves. But Bitcoin Diamond, astonishingly, someone once paid $105 for this garbage. It's currently trading at $2.19. That's a 98% retracement. Bitcoin Gold, spot the recurring theme. Bitcoin forks that add no real value have been hit the hardest, as they should, in my opinion. BTG somehow once traded for over $500. Now it's sitting at $45, and even that feels expensive. Yes, Bitcoin Gold should not be trading at $45. Like, here's the thing, especially with the ones that are these like Bitcoin commodity type pairings. Come on, people, let's use common sense. Like, where are the verticals for me to actually redeem my Bitcoin Gold for physical gold? If that wasn't in place from the beginning, then that should be a huge red flag, in my opinion. You can't have something track the price of a commodity when you don't I'm not able to redeem that asset for the physical asset. Because if I was able to do that, like if the Bitcoin Gold team actually had physical stocks of gold that was somehow around the world where people could go to a Bitcoin Gold center and redeem their tokens for actual physical gold, then the price will be forced to be, actually it's above spot. It would be a premium. Or I'm sorry, below spot. There would be a discount, but it would still be near the spot price of gold. So same with the Bitcoin Diamond. I don't know. I never looked into any of these, but Bitcoin Diamond, if they're supposed to be the same running under the same premise as Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Diamond is even more of a retarded idea, because gold, unlike gold, you can have it be commoditized. Like there's a standard, 0.999 gold or whatever, 0.999 silver is a purity level, right? But with diamonds, they come in all shapes, sizes, clarities, cuts. How could you redeem? I don't know, man. I'm not even gonna wreck my brain over that. Anyway, you get the picture, guys. Here's another one. Einsteinium. Wow, this shitcoin has gone from $2.83 to 11 cents in 101 days. And the team have only gotten themselves to blame. The coin dumped following a big announcement that proved to be anything of the sort, and the crypto bear market took care of the rest. Sia Coin. I've heard people telling me to buy Sia Coin and do a review on Sia Coin. It's hard not to feel sorry for Sia, which has had a tough year. What with Bitmain's ASICs threatening its algorithm and increased competition from decentralized storage tokens, Sia's down 90%. NIM. Yeah, we know NIM. Why we know why NIM is probably on this list. NIM's 2018 resembles Britney Spears' 2017. First it pumped, then it dumped. After CoinCheck lost $500 million in NIM in the biggest hack of all time, then it pumped again after CoinCheck began reimbursing victims of the hack, and now it's dumped again and is sitting at 22 cents, down 89% from its peak. Cardano, we got Verge, Bitcoin, Digibyte, Ripple. Glad to see Ripple on there. And the list kind of goes on from there. So check this out. What do you guys think about the worst performing coins? I think they're warranted. And I think this whole correction, to be honest with you, I didn't know where it would stop. I feel like we're building a base now, but this type of stuff is needed to first wipe out a lot of the speculators, the weak hands, the people that aren't really down with crypto and really ain't about that life like that. Let's wipe all those individuals out. No, it is not being manipulated by the cabal. There is not enough money in here at all. I'm sorry. So, and you know, cryptos is a unique situation because you have an asset class where they're literally, it's on the blockchain how many coins there are. It's pragmatically, if that's a word, coins are issued, the supply is issued from a programming script, from a parameter that there's consensus around, right? So unlike equities, where we really don't know how many shares of X company, XYZ company is actually floating out there, because you know no one really holds anyone accountable for that. You used to have that, you know, you used to have a physical receipt or certificate for the stock that you own. That no longer exists. So there are probably, stocks are probably rehypothecated many times over. There, and you got funny money from the feds. They can print money and do whatever they want. So in that game, we don't know. But in cryptos, if you want to manipulate the market, you have to take your fiat money and buy and bid the market up. So, you know, if you want to say they bid, you know, there was a bid up to $20,000 for cryptocurrencies, that was them getting in. Well, in order for them to manipulate it, or if they're manipulating it and they got out, it would have to go back to where it was before they got in. And maybe we're there. Maybe 6,000, 7,000 is where we should be, X any manipulation, if you want to call it that. But I just don't see, at these current prices, I don't think it's being manipulated by any external factors. If anything, it is being manipulated by whales within the community. So let me know your thoughts about manipulation, but more so about this list. Top worst performing cryptos of 2018 so far. I'm sure this list is going to change, and some of these won't be on here. Cardano maybe, NIM maybe. I don't know about these other ones, but we'll see. I'll leave the link to this article in the description of this video. And you know, today is Saturday, so we're going to do a off the chain with Crypto Blood. I think I'm going to do it around 5 p.m. today. We'll see. I'll of course let you guys know about an hour or two beforehand, so you can be prepared to call in. I'll leave the number on my Twitter account or in the tweet that I put out to let you guys know what time. So you guys have that number so we can talk, man. I love talking to you guys. And I'll see you guys later. It's your boy Crypto Blood. Make sure you go read. I need to go read. Song had me all messed up. I'm out, people.
Take a look.
It's in a book.
A reading rainbow.